So I'm back over here at Dave's, and this old radiator I gave him, although I don't think it was really used because it was damaged. This was cracked here, so he welded another section onto there. Anyway, he's been making a bracket for it, and check out what he's done there. He really loves his little bits of fabrication, he does.
Yep, so this will bolt right to that cross member there in the front.
Wow. And then he made that shroud for it. Put some, what kind of fans are those? Spool fans, which are very good quality. I think they're Italian, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what CFM they are?
I don't know. I think they're 1,000 or something like that.
Yeah, probably more than that.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's really neat, Dave. Nice.
Got some little riv nuts there so that it just bolts right to it.
Oh, that's awesome. So it just bolts from the outside.
Yeah.
Really nice. Man, I hope this works.
After all this, shame if it doesn't.
Yeah, after all this work.
Yeah, if it doesn't work, it's something else. That's
yeah, it would have to be that the engine needs flushing or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty thick radiator. That should definitely keep that standard engine cool.
Yeah, no reason it shouldn't.
Oh, really nice. So, you've only just started working welding aluminum. Well, I mean, you've been doing it for years, but you've only just got the right stuff to do aluminum?
No, I've had the welder now for about a year.
Oh, really?
And this Harbor Freight welder is by far the greatest one that I've used so far.
Nice. Not that we're doing a shout out to Harbor Freight.
Oh, I'll support them all day long.
Yeah.
That's where most of my tools come from.
Yeah, I know. They've been doing quite well. Man, I would have been valid welding it.
It is pretty thin, but like I said, the welder just, man, dialed right in.
That's a beautiful weld.
Yeah.
That's great. Awesome work.